I am Dr. W. B. Gandule from Kamala Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are discussing the chemical properties or chemical reactions of the cycloalkanes. As you already know what is cycloalkane. Cycloalkanes are the saturated compound in which the carbon atom joined by the single covalent bond, and this compound is assembled with the alkane in many respects. As we know, cycloalkanes are also known as the alicyclic compound, and so because of that they show some similarity with the alkane. And as we know, this is the compound. Already we have discussed what is the cycloalkane. Examples are cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cyclohexanes are the different examples. And already we have seen what are the methods of formation of cycloalkane. And today we are discussing different chemical properties, that is chemical reaction of the cycloalkane with that is oxidation, reduction, and so many different 7 properties are there, that all these chemical reaction we are discussing in today's part. So today's part is the alkanes and cycloalkane, and this is the part number 7. And in this part we are going to discuss the different chemical reactions of cycloalkane, and what is cycloalkane and chemical reactions of cycloalkane. And as we know what is cycloalkane, these are the compounds which are also known as the saturated hydrocarbon. You know what is saturated hydrocarbon? Compound which contain the carbon-carbon single bond. Unsaturated hydrocarbon means which contain double bond and triple bond. So these cycloalkanes are the saturated hydrocarbon which contain carbon-carbon single bond in the compounds. So in which single bonds are present between the 2 carbon atoms, and they are also known as the alicyclic compound. So many examples are there: cyclopropane, cyclobutane, lower cycloalkane, higher cycloalkanes, and like open chain hydrocarbon. Alicyclic compound also be as saturated or unsaturated. Saturated alicyclic compound correspond to the alkane, which are known as cycloalkane, and those correspond to the alkene are known as the cycloalkanes. And now this part is the cycloalkane, and now we are going to discuss what are the different chemical reactions of these cycloalkane compounds. So in this case, as we know, cycloalkane are the saturated hydrocarbon, and therefore cycloalkanes are like alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon, and therefore this exhibit substitution reaction. But cycloalkanes having a ring of 3 or 4 carbon atoms are unstable, and therefore they form open chain aliphatic compounds by the addition of the reagent. Therefore we can say that they exhibit the chemical properties of both alkane and alkene. So cycloalkanes are saturated compound like alkane, and therefore exhibit some substitution reaction. So some chemical reactions of these cycloalkanes. So number 1 is oxidation. So cycloalkane undergo oxidation with hot alkaline potassium permanganate and forming dicarboxylic acid. So when this cycloalkane undergo the oxidation, we get the dicarboxylic acid. So here the reaction is shown. This is the cyclohexane. 6 carbon atoms are there, CH2, carbon-carbon single bonds. So 6 carbons are there. So this is the cyclohexane. When undergo the oxidation in the presence of strong oxidizing agent, potassium permanganate, and in this case when we heat, what is then this chain get cleavage of the carbon-carbon bond is, so opening of the bond is taking opening of the ring is taking place, and there is a breaking of bond, and we get this type of compound. So in this case, so see here 6 carbons are there, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbons are there, but this CH2 4 are there. After breaking this, here here is the this oxygen comes here, and 1 water molecule get released here. So in this way, 1 CH from this, 1 H from this, and 1 oxygen, water is released, and what is now here COH is there, compound is there. So dicarboxylic acid, adipic acid is formed. So this compound is 2 carboxylic acids are present. तो इसको बोलते हैं डाइनिस 2 carboxylic acid, 2 COH groups are present. Therefore it is dicarboxylic acid, and this is the compound. Name of this compound is adipic acid. So this is the oxidation reaction. So this cyclohexane undergo oxidation forming adipic acid. Second is a sulfonation reaction. So in case of sulfonation, cyclohexane on heating with the concentrated sulfuric acid, cyclohexane On heating with the concentrated sulfuric acid, it undergoes sulfonation reaction and forming benzene sulfonic acid. As we know here, this is the again cyclohexane. It is unstable, it can react and ring opening can take place. And see here now, this is the sulfuric acid. We have to heat the cyclohexane, and there is a removal of hydrogen each from this and 3 molecules of hydrogen, and we get the benzene. So cyclohexane is converted into benzene, and benzene contain alternate single double bonds. Now this compound when heated and with the sulfuric acid, and as we know sulfuric acid can also be, we can also write OH SO3H. So OH and H from this ring, OH and H from this, what I get released, and SO3H group attached to this carbon of the benzene ring. So this is the compound which is known as benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid is the product. So cyclohexane first converted into benzene, and after that benzene is converted to the benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the simple reaction which is taking place and known as the sulfonation reaction. So sulfonic acid group attached to the carbon of the ring. So this is sulfonation reaction. Third reaction is the dehydrogenation, that is removal of hydrogen, and cyclohexane can be dehydrogenated. D means removal, and hydrogen means removal of hydrogen to the benzene is the product by heating with the platinum or palladium as a catalyst. So when cyclohexane, so this is the reaction, when cyclohexane heated in the presence of catalyst platinum or palladium, then dehydrogenation is taking place. So here removal of 3 hydrogen and we get the benzene. So इस 6 कार्बन से और यहाँ पे हर एक कार्बन में से एक हाइड्रोजन रिलीज होगा, तो 6 हो गए, तो 3 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज रिलीज एंड वी गेट दी कंपाउंड बेंजीन. तो यहाँ से एक हाइड्रोजन निकलेगा तो यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड आएगा, अल्टरनेट सिंगल बॉन्ड डबल बॉन्ड इज देयर, सो वी ऑब्टेन दी बेंजीन. तो दिस इज द थर्ड रिएक्शन, dehydrogenation. So in this case cyclohexane is dehydrogenated and forming the benzene, and this is taking place in the presence of platinum or palladium as a catalyst. So when we heat in the presence of catalyst we get the benzene and dehydrogenation is taking place. So this is the dehydrogenation reaction. Number 4 is the hydrogenation now. So what is now here? Cyclopropane, cyclobutane, also the unstable, and they also react with the hydrogen in the presence of nickel as a catalyst and forming propane and N-butane, 2 compounds they are forming. And shown here, hydrogenation of cyclobutane take place at higher temperature as compared to the cyclopropane. So different temperatures are there. Cyclopropane, cyclobutane undergo the hydrogenation. So it means that how the reaction is taking place. See now here, this is the cyclopropane. Hydrogenation reaction with hydrogen in the presence of nickel as a catalyst. For the cyclopropane temperature is 80 degrees Celsius and we obtain this type of, यहाँ पे ये जो रिंग है, ये रिंग यहाँ से रिंग ओपन हो जाता है और 2 हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाते हैं, तो CH3 यहाँ पे आ गया, रिंग ओपन हो गई. तो दिस इज नोन एज द प्रोपेन. सो व्हेन साइक्लोप्रोपेन undergo hydrogenation reaction in the presence of nickel catalyst at 80 डिग्री सेल्सियस, तो ये 2 हाइड्रोजन इसमें ऐड हो जाते हैं, CH2 का क्या होगा, CH3, रिंग ओपनिंग इज टेकिंग प्लेस. सो साइक्लोप्रोपेन कन्वर्टेड टू प्रोपेन. Another reaction is shown here, that is this is the cyclobutane undergo hydrogenation with hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst at 200 degrees Celsius. So it is taking place at higher temperature as compared to cyclopropane. So at 200 degrees Celsius, cyclobutane is converted to N-butane. This is primary. So this is the butane and 2 hydrogen get added here. So this bond get ruptured and CH3, 2 hydrogen are added. So CH3, and this is the compound CH2, CH3. At the 2 end there are CH3 group. So we obtain butane. So N-butane. So cyclobutane when undergo hydrogenation in the presence of nickel catalyst at higher temperature and we obtain the N-butane. This is primary butane alkanes. So this is number 4, hydrogenation. means reaction with hydrogen. Number 5, substitution with chlorine and bromine. Now this reaction can take place. Cycloalkanes react with the chlorine and bromine also in the presence of UV light and give the substitution product. And see the reaction. This is the cyclopropane where we undergo the reaction with chlorine. Then substitution is taking place, and in this reaction take place in the presence of UV light. And now here one of the hydrogen from this is replaced by the Cl, और यहाँ से एक H निकलेगा और Cl, तो HCl is another product और यहाँ H की जगह Cl आ गया, तो दिस इज सब्सटीट्यूशन, मतलब हाइड्रोजन निकाल के वहाँ पे Cl क्लोरीन अटैच हो जाता है, सब्सटीट्यूट करना है। तो यहाँ से H निकला और एक Cl यहाँ से, तो H ये कंपाउंड मिल गया, इसका नाम है क्लोरीन साइक्लोप्रोपेन। इट इज साइक्लोप्रोपेन, लेकिन Cl आने से उसको बोलते हैं क्लोरीन साइक्लोप्रोपेन। So this is the substitution. Similar type of reaction take place in the case of bromine. So we can get bromine cyclopropane. So cyclopropane undergo the reaction, that is substitution reaction with chlorine in the presence of UV light, and we get chlorine cyclopropane, and HCl is another product. So this is the number 5 reaction that is known as the substitution with chlorine or bromine. So hydrogen is replaced by are substituted by the chlorine, and we get this product. Number 6 reaction is, name of the reaction is addition of chlorine and bromine. In this case, cyclopropane undergo the reaction with chlorine and bromine in the dark and forming addition product. This reaction is take place in the presence of CCl4 solvent. So CCl4, that is carbon tetrachloride, is a solvent, and the reaction is taking place in the presence of dark, and again now there is a ring opening is taking place. So see the how this addition is taking place and how we get the addition product. तो ये देखो cyclopropane, 3 कार्बन है, cyclopropane undergo reaction with bromine, addition of bromine is taking place, this bond get break and a ring opening is taking place. This reaction is taking place in the presence of solvent carbon tetrachloride and in the presence in the dark, and we get, तो ये पहले से CH2 था, यहाँ पे 2 CH2 थे, तो यहाँ पे ये 2 Br ऐड हो गए हैं, तो 2 यहाँ पे 1 Br, यहाँ पर 1 Br, तो दिस इज द कंपाउंड नोन एज 1,3-डाइब्रोमोप्रोपेन। देखो इसको नंबर देंगे 1 2 3, तो 1 और 3 पे क्या है Br, इसको बोलते हैं 1,3 क्या है पोजीशन ऑफ Br इन द चेन ऑफ कार्बन। सो 1,3 2 इसलिए डाई ब्रोमोप्रोपेन, इसका नाम है 1,3-डाइब्रोमोप्रोपेन, and so we can say that cyclopropane undergo the ring opening when it react with the bromine. Addition of this chlorine is taking place, or bromine is taking place in the presence of dark, and we get the product 1,3-dibromopropane. And important point is here that cyclobutane or higher members do not give this type of reaction. As we know, cyclopropane is an unstable compound. Ring opening can take place easily because there is a strain, ring strain is there, and it can open easily, and therefore this reaction is possible. But in case of cyclobutane or higher members of the cycloalkanes, it is not possible, or this reaction they do not give this type of reaction. So addition of chlorine and bromine can take place in the cyclopropane. So this is the reaction. Cyclopropane give 1,3-dibromopropane. Addition of halogen can take place. Number 7, addition of hydrogen bromide. Now this hydrogen bromide is also undergo the addition, and as we know, cyclopropane again now react with the concentrated H hydrogen bromide or hydroiodic acid and give the 1-bromopropane or 1-iodopropane as given in the reaction. So when we take the cyclopropane, react with the hydrogen bromide and forming this type of addition product is taking place. So this ring opening is taking place and hydrogen is added here and Br is added here, and now we obtain one side CH3 and here CH3. So 1 2 3, तो 1 bromo, 1 पे क्या है Br, 1 2 3, तो 1 is the bromopropane. So compound is the 1-bromopropane are the product. So this is the addition of HBr, and in this case cyclopropane undergo the reaction with concentrated HBr and giving the 1-bromopropane is the product. So similarly, we can also take HI. We get then I one iodopropane. So propane undergo the reaction with this HBr and we get the 1 bromopropane. So this is the addition of HBr. So it is ring, in case of cyclopropane, ring opening can take place. So different types of reactions are there that we have seen, and so today we have seen what are the different chemical reactions of these cycloalkanes and oxidation, addition, and different types of reaction of cycloalkane. As we know, cycloalkanes are the saturated compound, also known as the alicyclic compound, and because and these cycloalkanes are the symbol with the alkane in many respects. Only the thing is that alkane is also saturated, and a cycloalkane compound also saturated compound are hydrocarbons. Only the two compounds are there, cycloalkane and cycloalkene. So whether they contain single bond or double bond. So saturated hydrocarbons are the cycloalkanes, and here we have seen what are the different methods in the last time, what are the different methods of formation of cycloalkane, and today we have discussed what are the different chemical reactions of the cycloalkanes and by using different solvent reagent. So today we stop here, and in the next part we will discuss about the cycloalkane. But now, what is the Bayer's strain theory? This theory, why there is a strain and which compound is stable. So all these things about the cycloalkane we will discuss in the next part.